In this video we will briefly understand Azure artifacts. So if we go to our Azure DevOps Online Services, in our project we have this artifact section, right? So the main use case of this artifacts is to manage the packages. So it's a package management solution. What are packages? So packages can be libraries, application release files, or public packages. So as we know, when we do the development, we install a set of packages from public repositories like NuGet, Maven, and so on, right? So as we already have these publicly available package management systems, then why Azure artifacts then? See, as we know, when we work on our internal solutions, we tend to have our own common packages and application release files, right? And we do not want our internal package solutions to publish them to these open source, or you can say these publicly available package repositories. Okay, so we want to have, if we want to have our, if we want to store them within our organization, within our project, then we need to have such kind of package management solution, right? So in that, in that specific use case, we can go with this Azure artifacts, wherein we create the feed. Okay, we create the feed, and this feed, in this, using this feed, we group and we store all our packages. And the best part of using this Azure artifacts is, let's say when you work on a solution, you might need to connect to multiple these public stores to get different packages. So for example, to get all the .NET related things, you make use this feed URL, and for Java related thing, you may use Maven Central, and so on, right? But if you choose to use this one, the feed which we create here, we get an option to set the upstream. So that means, let's say if we use this feed in our solution to import the packages, and we mention, let's say if we mention a package name which is, if it's not there in our private this feed, this solution, then what it does is, with the upstream option, it goes to these publicly available stores and get that particular package, right? So that's one of the great features that these solutions provide. Okay. And the other thing is, as we know, like whenever we use these publicly available packages, we know that these packages get more frequent updates, and they have a higher chance of getting issues, right? So to avoid that, what we can do is, we can also download some stable version from this publicly available place, and upload it to our this our private feed. So that way, what happens is, when we try to install that package using our feed, then it's going to check it in our feed store. If it's available there, then it will not go to this public feed stores. Okay, so that way we can keep our dependent packages in a safer way with our package management solution. Okay, I think that's it for this video. In coming videos, we'll explore this topic in more detail. Thank you for your time. See you in next video.